At OnePageCRM, we believe that exceptional customer support is the cornerstone of a great user experience, and Help Scout makes customer service interaction a little more human. It brings all email, chat, and phone conversations with the customer to a shared inbox, keeping the whole team on the same page. But to provide a truly thoughtful customer response, you need to have all of the relevant information at your fingertips, and that's where the OnePageCRM and Help Scout integration comes into play. Connecting the two is simple, with minimal setup involved. In a couple of clicks, you can choose what information from your OnePageCRM contacts you'd like to be displayed in Help Scout. So now, every time you interact with the customer, you have all the important information, like their contact details, associated deals, custom fields, and even next actions, providing the context you need to deliver an informed and relevant response. If you want to view the contact in OnePageCRM, all you need to do is follow the quick link. And if you receive an email from somebody who isn't yet in your OnePageCRM account, you can add them as a new contact in just a click, keeping the two systems in perfect sync. With the OnePageCRM and Help Scout integration, you can make sure your every customer interaction is thoughtful, informed, and most of all, human. And that is a perfect recipe for a great customer experience.